In today's video, I will walk you through how to set a limit order on Uniswap. To get started, make sure your wallet is connected to Uniswap. Once you're on the main trading interface, switch from the swap option to the limit option. If the feature is available for your selected network and token pair, you'll be able to create a new limit order. Next, choose the token you want to sell in the top field, then select the token you want to receive in the bottom field. Double-check that you've selected the correct tokens before continuing, especially if there are multiple tokens with similar names. After selecting the token pair, enter the amount you want to trade. Once everything looks correct, click the button to place your limit order. Review the information carefully, approve the transaction, and wait for it to be confirmed on the blockchain. After your order has been created, you can view it in the Orders section of the Uniswap interface. From there, you can monitor its status to see whether it's still open, has been filled, or if you want to cancel it before it executes. And that's how to set a limit order on Uniswap.